nothing is significant. And other thing is, there is nobody else. It's only me. यहाँ कोई और है ही नहीं, सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ. और जब फिर मैं ही हूँ तो फिर क्या तो किससे गिला, क्या तो किससे शिकवा. Okay, all is in me and all ends in me only. So it's a big, and after writing this letter, after knowing, after having this awareness over and over again that nothing is significant, we are just,
Nobody.
we are just unnecessarily wasting our valuable, there's no time also, so it is nothing. So that is a great space, and thank you so much.
मेरे लिए एक ऐसे लेयर ओपन हो गया कि पूरी दुनिया भर में हम घूमते हैं और अल्टीमेटली इट इज़ यू एंड यू ओनली. जैसे मराठी में हम मृगजळ बोलते हैं कि वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर दैट कस्तूरी मृग एवरीवेयर, बट इट इज़ देयर विद इन मी.
So you've run many races, you won, lost. In the end, you realize that there's no winning and losing here, and you don't get credits, neither do you get cribbed. So the only avenue that you could understand here is life is a flow. It matters only when you don't want to flow. So if you flow with it, I think there's happiness around. And this self-forgiveness is the word meant for it, but the realization is ultimate for it.
I've been doing this forgiveness process every now and then. I can say at the time of crisis always. Okay. But today when I wrote about myself, I realized how much of atyachar I'm doing on myself every moment, every minute, every second by pulling myself down. And while writing that, I was so choked कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ खुद के साथ. I have such a wonderful life over here. And what am I doing? So I realized कि it's all, I'm always happy, but still I can be more happy by just forgiving myself. So that is a wonderful thing which is happening right now to me.
So I realized the tight hold which I have on myself, and I just need to relax and chill out, and just flow in life. That is what I realized.
I could feel lighter, that is definitely true, and also I could accept certain things about myself that I would not otherwise do.
One thing I have realized that at every juncture of your life, I am the best version at that particular point of time, and I just want to keep on learning, and keep on forgiving and keep on enjoying.
So I realized that I'm always trying to be perfect, always trying to be better than what I am, and there's a dissatisfaction because I'm always trying to, be perfect like a god, which I idolize. And another thing that I realized was that the way I am is perfect because He's made me. But I'm also directing my life with my visions or my goals, and in that direction, how do I fall short of my own benchmarks of where I want to be or where I should be?
Wow, the bravest day in my life. I said sorry, which I have been practicing for the past 72 hours, but could muster strength today. Now, one special thing about today is I said sorry. I meant sorry, and every strand of hair on my body meant it. Wow, I have tears in my eyes as I am writing this message, as feeling sorry from the core of my heart. Wow, one sorry is enough if it reverberates millions of times before, during, and after saying it. Wow, I live in the state I say from lips. I think of the same state and I do the same. Wow, one genuine sorry is worth more than hundreds of meditations, scope camps, Bhava Samadhi training. Thank you.